Hi, welcome to Katie Crates. Today, I will be drawing one of my favorite Christmas movies to watch, and that is The Polar Express. The Polar Express is one of my favorite Christmas movies to watch every year. One thing is that the majority of the movie's on a train, and I love trains. I think they're so cool, and I think we need more trains. I've never been on one, but I hope to ride one someday. I also like that this is a magical train. It just appears out of nowhere with no tracks whatsoever. When I watch this movie, it makes me feel like a little kid again. Like, it has that magic and excitement and wonder. And the art is so well done and beautiful. My only complaint is the, 3D model characters because there's just something creepy about them. I don't know what it is, but there's just something creepy. Not too creepy. Not only does this movie have beautiful art, but it also has an amazing soundtrack. If you listen to it, the music, they just capture it so well. And not only did they have beautiful music, but they had a choreography dance to a song about hot chocolate. And everyone who has seen this movie, I guarantee you, they would want to be on a train that serves hot chocolate like that. I know they do have trains based off the Polar Express and they do serve hot chocolate, but they don't dance or sing the hot chocolate song, so I don't think that counts. So, also, I'm still waiting for the day that they turn this into a roller coaster because there's one scene where they go up a giant hill and then go straight down, and I think that would be really cool and fun. And I'm not typically a roller coaster person. Honestly, this movie has a lot of potential to make a bunch of different, theme park rides. And not only that, they start drifting on the ice, which was a pretty cool scene, but also didn't make sense because the train showed up in front of his house without any tracks. And now they suddenly need tracks. Something I realized when watching this movie this year is that we don't know any of the characters' names. There's only 2 ever mentioned in the movie. And they're not even the main characters. The first one they mention is the main character's sister, Sarah. And the other one is the kid that's named Billy, who lives in the same town as the main character. That's pretty impressive that a movie was so well done that we don't need to know the characters' names, nor do you even think about it. Anyways, that was just a few things that I love about this movie. Now, please enjoy the rest of this video. Now for this artwork, I had a lot of fun drawing it. I also found out trains are much more harder to draw than I thought. They have a lot more detail than I realized. This drawing felt like it took forever and I had a lot of complications with it. And honestly, once I finished it, I really loved it. And it gives me that Christmas joy, so... Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. And tell me what your favorite Christmas movie is in the comments. And if you enjoy my content and want to see more of it, subscribe so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!